WBRC Fox 6 News. First at 9. Starts now.
State lawmakers taking action after pictures of children from West Alabama were used to create pornographic images.
Our Josh Gant speaking with a child's mother who has been pushing for change since this frightening situation. Josh, what happened?
Yeah, Brittany, Steve, this mom hopes no one has to go through this. She never imagined her daughter would become a target. She is very thankful, though, that state lawmakers stepped up to the plate and took action to help protect children.
You are never prepared for something like this to happen, especially in small rural town, Demopolis, Alabama.
Pictures of Tiffany Cannon's middle school daughter were recently used to make pornographic images. Cannon's daughter was one of a handful of other female students who fell victim after investigators say someone used artificial intelligence to create the pictures.
Very, very scary. Very scary. It shouldn't happen to anybody.
Cannon and other mothers have been fighting for change since this alarming situation. Change is now on the way after Governor Kay Ivey signed the Child Protection Act into law this week, which makes it illegal to create deepfake images using artificial intelligence and expands the state's ability to go after AI-generated child sexual abuse material.
I think each of these girls would have preferred to never have experienced it. But, I think that they understand that they were dragged into the role of a trailblazer, and they're happy about that. Because of what they went through, other kids all over the state and eventually the U.S., they will have more protection and rights than these girls ever did.
Cannon is urging parents and their kids to know that AI is everywhere and unfortunately being used to harm people and can have a big impact.
Treat this as a teachable moment. Shed some light on this important issue. Make sure you talk to them and explain the consequences now that will happen to them if they choose to do this type thing.
And get this, Cannon says friends of her daughter are the ones responsible for creating those images. Attorney General Steve Marshall says this first-in-the-nation law places Alabama at the front of the line for fighting predators who seek to exploit children online.